Hi everyone, I'm Saikren and I'm excited to present my project for the UiPath SDK challenge, the UiPath LangChain Redaction agent. The solution focuses on protecting sensitive data like PHI and PII information following HIPAA safe harbor standards. So think of it as a smart coded agent that reads your SQL results, detects PHI, and masks it instantly before sharing it back. Speaking about the problem context here, say across healthcare and information systems or the insurance systems, data handling is a serious concern. So even test environments contain real patient data and leaks can violate HIPAA. So the goal was to build a coded agent that can intelligently redact data with AI understanding and still be traceable and auditable. Speaking about the architecture here, the agent uses LangGraph and LangChain as state machine with three nodes: uh, natural language to SQL, fetch data, and redact data. It connects securely to database. Here we have leveraged PostgreSQL through SQL Alchemy. So after fetching the data, the UiPath LLM identifies the PHI and replaces them with tokenizable placeholders like patient underscore one or DOV underscore 1985. So all actions are captured via UiPath traces here. So where it can be leveraged? It can be leveraged across various external system or bots with the data extraction, test data generator, analytics pipelines, audit compliance reports, and all. Right. So let's try to jump into our code where we will try to just give you an overview of what actually the Redact node basically does. Uh, so if you can see here, we are just saying that your HIPAA safe harbor compliant reduction assistant where you need to follow these rules. If your patient name having first, last, or full name, so it should be having this be converted. And let's say you have phone numbers, yes, it should be incremented in sequential IDs and all. The same thing applies for the date of birth, MRNs, email address, physical address, and SSNs too, right? And we have also tested with different variations of test data too. If you can see here, we have said like the query like direct thing which says like select star from visits limit to 3 and all, where we have asking show me results patients diagnosed with diabetes and all, or find all patients with asthma, or select patient name where diagnosis is like hypertension and all, right? So let's take a small example here where I'll be trying to test this data for this particular query. So I've already published my bot here, I mean like the agent here. So let me just jump back to my workspace. So I've already the process and I'll be just clicking to just run my job here. Sorry, I'll be just clicking here to run the job. So I'll be just passing here the input which says it's true, and we also need to provide some environment configuration which I've stored here, which is .env. I'll be just copy pasting this here in my, and I'll be just kicking start my agent. Let me refresh. It went into pending state. So let's see the logs. So it was able to hit it. It's running. Let hit on traces. Okay, so just let me see if everything is, yeah, we have a successful execution here. So let's talk about the traces here. So we have the traces too, where it says like three nodes: language to natural language to SQL, fetch data, redact data. So this here query, natural language, basically asking show me all patients diagnosed with diabetes, where it has select star from where diagnosis like diabetes, where it has converted into SQL query. This is your raw data with a number of rows. Let's say I took the data for ID number 6 Patrick Thomas, phone, and 8/11/1985 is the date of birth. So let's see how it has converted into your output rows. This is your output row for the ID6. So instead of Patrick Thomas, it says like patient underscore one. Instead of 8/11/1965, it was giving you DOB underscore 1965, Amaran underscore one. So similarly, it has read it for all the rows which has been identified having a PHA or the PI data and all. So just to summarize, the UiPath LangChain redaction agent combines AI reasoning, coded automations, and data governance, where it reduces manual redaction effort, prevents data leaks, and ensures explainable compliance for the enterprise. Thank you. This is the coded agent that learns to forget what it must not remember.